She says, I did ask Huzur this question last week, but now if you permit me, I want to ask it again.
Tell me.
Yeah.
বাংলাদেশে 10ই মুহররমের রোজা রাখার প্রচলন আছে, আপনি যদি মেহেরবানি করে ওইটার পটভূমি গুরুত্ব বর্ণনা করেন।
In Bangladesh, there is a custom of fasting on 10th Muharram. She wants to know the background of this custom, how it comes. Huzur asked Imam Sahib to.
I told you to collect the information.
Yeah.
Please, thank you. काफ़ी लंबी है बात, आप मुख्तसर से बता दें।
Before Ramzan, as the Jews kept fast on this day, the Holy Prophet ﷺ also started keeping it. But after the Ramzan was prescribed, then he left it.
It is reported in Hadith that while Ramzan had not yet become an obligatory month of keeping fast, Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to keep fast of the older religion. So the Jews always fasted on 10th of Muharram. So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did that during the 10th of Muharram in keeping with the older tradition. But after Ramadan, he is not known to have done it regularly.
He says, whosoever wants, he may keep.
Yes. So he said, whoever wants to keep, he may. But he never himself stuck to this tradition.